What's happening, guys? Matt here, RollingHeavyMagazine. It has been a minute. Well, you guys have been asking for more videos.
Give me the video!
It's been a while, so I figured, what the hell, let's do one. I had an idea today. The market right now on vans and van stuff is all over the place. You got $200 vans, you got $20,000 vans, and none of them make any sense. So I was thinking about it yesterday. We went to the Moon Eyes Christmas show at Pomona. It's a pretty good time. And I was like, what can you get in the van scene for $100 anymore? I have no idea. So what I have here, crisp $100 bill.
$50 bill. $50 bill.
And see what we can find for $100 through our buddy. We'll let you know when we get there. See you in a minute. Alright guys, we just got here. This place seems real familiar. Let's see what's up. What up?
What's up, dude?
Dude, I can't see nothing but...
Nope.
Yep, can't see shit.
Well, those are them.
Be right back.
So that they all have the same type of writing, this little fucking skinny writing.
Yeah.
Where's the size? Okay, so the size is, yeah. No, what does that say?
Right there, 15.7.
15.7?
Mm.
15.7.
Yeah, we're good.
Keep the spiders.
Yeah, cool. You know what? Hold on.
That spider.
$100 bill.
$50 bills.
Alright guys, here's what we got. A set of 15.7 slots, 5 on 4.5. We lost the daylight here. It's dark. I'll show you guys what's going to go on with these tomorrow. We got a plan for them. See you in a little bit. Oh man. Morning guys. New morning, new day. Not to be confused with Foreigner's Blue Morning, Blue Day.
New morning, new day.
But yeah, we lost the light last night. And we're gonna run down to the truck and grab those wheels and we'll show you what we're doing. This is why we spent a $100 bill.
$50 bill! Guys!
So guys, this is why I spent a $100 bill yesterday. I had a set of 15 by 10 5-on-4.5 slot mags by themselves. I needed something to match them. Well, I had a set of 15 by 7 5-on-4.5 slot mags. Now I got a staggered set of 15 by 10, 15 by 7, 4.5 slot mags. Good for mid dodge, early forward, whatever. Anyway, that's showing you what a $100 bill gets you these days. Two 15 by 7 slot mags, 5-on-4.5. If you like this video, let me know. Best way to support the channel, buy some of the merch. RollingHeavyMagazine at BigCartel.com. Appreciate it, guys. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Talk to you. See you later. Bye.
Da 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 da.